As we age, life brings new chapters filled with wisdom, experience, and often unexpected challenges. For many individuals over 65, loneliness and depression can cast a shadow over this stage of life. Whether due to the loss of loved ones, reduced social circles, or changes in health and mobility, these feelings are common but not insurmountable. The good news is that with intentional steps, support, and self-care, it's possible to rediscover joy, connection, and purpose. This article explores practical, heartfelt strategies to combat loneliness and depression for those 65 and older, empowering you to live a fulfilling life. Understanding loneliness and depression. In older adults, loneliness is more than just being alone. It's the emotional pain of feeling disconnected or isolated, even in a crowd. Depression, on the other hand, involves persistent sadness, loss of interest in activities, and physical or emotional symptoms like fatigue or hopelessness. For older adults, these conditions often intertwine. According to research, about 1 in 4 adults over 65 experience loneliness, and roughly 10 to 15% face depression, with higher rates among those with chronic illnesses or limited mobility. Common triggers include loss of loved ones. The passing of a spouse, friends, or family members can leave a void. Retirement. Losing the structure and social connections of work can lead to isolation. Health challenges. Chronic pain, mobility issues, or cognitive decline can limit social engagement. Geographic distance. Being far from family or moving to new environments like assisted living can disrupt connections. Recognizing these feelings as valid is the first step. Loneliness and depression are not signs of weakness but human responses to life's changes. With the right tools, you can rebuild a sense of belonging and emotional balance. Strategies to combat loneliness. Rebuild. Social connections. Social bonds are the cornerstone of emotional well-being. While making new friends or reconnecting with old ones may feel daunting, small steps can yield big results. Join local groups or clubs. Many communities offer senior centers with activities like book clubs, card games, or exercise classes. Check your local library or community center for events tailored to older adults. Volunteer. Contributing to a cause, such as helping at a food bank or mentoring youth, fosters a sense of purpose and connection. Websites like volunteermatch.org can help you find opportunities nearby. Reconnect with old friends. A simple phone call or letter to a childhood friend or distant relative can rekindle meaningful ties. Leverage technology. Video calls via Zoom or FaceTime can bridge the gap with family or friends who live far away. Many senior centers offer free classes to teach smartphone or computer skills. Engage in community activities. Participating in group activities creates opportunities for interaction and shared experiences. Consider group exercise classes. Yoga, Tai Chi, or water aerobics designed for seniors improve physical health and provide social outlets. Hobby-based groups. Painting, gardening, or knitting clubs allow you to bond over shared interests. Religious or spiritual gatherings. If faith is part of your life, attending services or joining a prayer group can offer comfort and community. Adopt a pet, if feasible. For those able, a pet can provide companionship and unconditional love. Dogs encourage daily walks, which can lead to casual conversations with neighbors, while cats offer low-maintenance affection. Ensure you have the physical and financial capacity to care for a pet, and consider adopting a senior animal from a shelter for a perfect match. Practice small acts of connection. Sometimes, brief interactions can lift your spirits. Strike up a conversation with a neighbor, smile at a cashier, or thank a delivery person. These micro-connections accumulate, reminding you that you're part of a larger community. Strategies to address depression. Prioritize physical health. The mind and body are deeply connected. Taking care of your physical health can alleviate depressive symptoms. Exercise regularly. Even gentle activities like walking 20 minutes a day or chair exercises can boost endorphins and improve mood. Consult your doctor to find safe options. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins support brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish or walnuts are particularly beneficial for mood-improved sleep habits. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep by maintaining a consistent bedtime routine and limiting screen time before bed. Engage in meaningful activities. Depression often saps motivation, but engaging in activities you once enjoyed or discovering new ones can reignite a sense of purpose. Creative pursuits, painting, writing, or playing a musical instrument can be therapeutic and expressive. Learning something new. Take an online course through platforms like Coursera or attend a local workshop on a topic like history or photography. Gardening. Tending to plants, even in small pots, offers a sense of accomplishment and connection to nature. Practice mindfulness and gratitude. Mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation, can reduce stress and help you stay present. Apps like Calm or Headspace offer guided sessions tailored for beginners. Additionally, keeping a gratitude journal, writing down 3 things each day that brought you joy or comfort, can shift your focus toward positivity. Seek professional support. If depression feels overwhelming, professional help can make a significant difference. Therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is highly effective for depression, helping you reframe negative thoughts. Many therapists offer telehealth sessions for convenience. Medication. A doctor or psychiatrist can assess whether antidepressants or other medications are appropriate. Support groups. Connecting with others who share similar experiences, either in person or online, can reduce feelings of isolation. Organizations like the National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, offer resources. Building resilience and finding purpose. Beyond addressing loneliness and depression directly, cultivating resilience and purpose can transform your outlook. Set small, achievable goals. Break tasks into manageable steps to build confidence. For example, aim to call 1 friend this week, attend 1 community event, or try a new recipe. Celebrate these victories, no matter how small. Reflect on your legacy. Your life experiences are a treasure trove of wisdom. Consider sharing your story through journaling, recording memories for family, or participating in intergenerational programs where you can mentor younger people. Embrace solitude as a strength. Being alone doesn't always mean being lonely. Use solo time for self-reflection, reading, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy. Framing solitude as an opportunity for growth can shift your perspective. Stay open to change. Life after 65 is a new chapter, not an ending. Be open to trying new activities, meeting new people, or exploring unfamiliar interests. Each step outside your comfort zone is a step toward connection and fulfillment. Overcoming barriers. It's normal to face obstacles when addressing loneliness and depression. Here's how to navigate common challenges. Limited mobility. If getting out is difficult, explore virtual events, home-based hobbies, or ask for transportation assistance from community services. Financial constraints. Many senior programs, like those at community centers or libraries, are free or low cost. Online resources such as free courses or virtual support groups are also widely available. Stigma around mental health. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Start with a trusted friend, family member, or doctor to ease into the process. Final thoughts. Loneliness and depression may be common among those over 65, but they don't have to define your life. By nurturing social connections, prioritizing physical and mental health, and embracing new opportunities, you can rediscover joy and purpose. Start with 1 small step today, whether it's a phone call, a walk, or signing up for a class. You are not alone, and your story is far from over. Reach out, take action, and let this chapter be one of resilience, connection, and hope. If you or someone you know is struggling, don't hesitate to contact a healthcare provider or a helpline like the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, 988 in the U.S., for immediate support.